So about a month ago I made a video on why 6x6 hardware sucks, and I swear half the comments said that there's going to be a new 6x6 called the Shadow, and it was from X-Men. And I was like, I've never heard a single thing about the X-Men Shadow, how do you guys even know about this? But anyways, I got it now, and I'm really excited for this cube because 6x6 used to be my best event, and the only reason why I ditched 6x6 for 5x5 was because I wanted to actually use some good hardware. So yeah, hopefully this thing could change that. Alright, here it is. Let's just waste no time and open this right up. Okay, what the? Okay, so this feels really light in my hands. Like, compared to like the Woohua, this cube is really lightweight, and I don't know, it's kind of weird. Okay, sticker placement looks amazing. So every single sticker looks like it's put on perfectly. It's those cheese shades. That's really cool. Time for some first turns now. Wait, what the heck? Oh, this is actually so good. Oh my god. Holy sh- okay. Wow, that's so good. Oh my god. Oh wait, okay, so can't go too hard. But this is so fast. Alright, so what surprised me the most is that every single layer is so freaking fast. Like, this is far and away the fastest 6x6 out there. It's just so fast. What the heck? And the corner cutting also isn't too bad. It's pretty fluid actually. Now it's not perfect, but it's decent. And added with how fast it is, I can't wait to start solving this cube. Okay, I'm doing the parity algorithm right now, and I'm getting a few little lockups. So that's gonna be a problem. I think it's a little bit too fast actually, and I probably have to slow it down with maybe some lunar, because I mean this thing is just flying, and I don't know how I'm going to control this cube. So yeah, I'm definitely going to have to add some lunar lube to it. Okay, I think another one of the problems are that it's really light. So like the turning feels really light. Like even if it's slow, it's still going to feel light, you know? Like it's not going to feel like it's turning really heavy. Like, okay, so here are my thoughts on it. So this cube is the best 4x4 I've ever tried so far. So it's just really fast, and added with the fact that it's fluid and then really light, and the sticker placement is amazing, and just the overall feel, it feels kind of like a whoosh wing. Like, based on specifications, this cube is almost flawless. The thing is, I've been using normal 6x6s lately, and those cubes are slow, and I'm not used to this at all. And like just turning a 6x6 that just flies really, like I'm not used to it yet. I'm really not, and I have to get used to that first before I start solving fast, because I can tell you right now I'm not going to be able to control this at first, and it's going to take a while for me to control it. Okay, so definitely recommend it, obviously, because it's amazing. It's going to take a while to get used to how good the 6x6 is. Like, you're going to have to get used to turning really lightly on a 6x6, and that's not something I've ever done before to solve it. But yeah, like this cube is just so light, and you have to learn how to turn lightly on a 6x6 and not all roughly like you do on the Woohua. So that's all for this unboxing. Definitely get it. It's not that expensive, I think. And yeah, that's all for this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one.